Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we will discuss lecture number 45 and I have collected all these vocabulary facts and figures from Dawn newspaper. So the first one is coup. So its meaning is achievement, triumph, accomplishment. Next one, candidly. So the meaning of candidly is to frank, direct, honest, open-hearted, and the last one is free-hearted. Next one is embezzlement. So embezzlement is aban. So its meaning is to theft or misappropriation of funds or financial fraud. So it is called embezzlement, and it's the common mantra in the institutions of Pakistan. Next one is memorandum. So most of the time MOUs are signed between two states, between two parties. So a memorandum of understanding. So an informal written record of an agreement that has not yet written. Next one, deplorable. So very bad in a way that causes shock, fear, or disgust. So deplorable, simplest meaning is disgust. Next one is bereaved. Said become a family member or friend has recently died. Next one, fortitude. So mentally strong and courage that allows someone to face danger or pain. Next one, irreparable. So unrecoverable. Next, and another meaning is irreversible. Next one, so the terrorism in Pakistan has caused irreparable damage to the national integration and financial loss among other. Next one, enshrine. So glorify, magnify, uh, elevate, exalt, aggrandize. Next one, spew. So to flow out of something in a fast and forceful way. Now some points. The power distribution companies in Pakistan. So power simply we say to energy or electricity. So it's uh, but power generation are mostly in the hands of WAPDA. Now distribution companies, WAPDA is basically a generation company, but as for distribution companies are concerned, so it include Lisco, MIPCO, HISCO and PISCO. So all these companies are uh, power distribution companies and working in Pakistan in different provinces under different names. Now back to vocabulary. So felicitation, so mad, happy, compliment, congratulation or congratulate. Next one, entrepreneurial. So to do with the creation and development of economic ventures. Next one, investors, to commit money in order to earn a financial return. Investors are those people who are investing money. Next one, desertification. So abandonment, our simplest meaning is desert. Next one, metropolitan. So relating to large city just like Karachi, Lahore, New Delhi, London, Paris, Dhaka. Next one, reiterate. So repeat, renew. It's also used to give stress or force on someone or something. Next one, penalty, punishment for breaking a rule or law. Next one, evinced, to show something clearly. Next one, robust. So its meaning is strong and healthy. Next one, burgeon, to grow and develop quickly. Next one, trekkers, to go on a long and often difficult journey. So it is called trekkers, just like hiking on Mount Everest or K2. Next one is auspicious, so optimistic, bright, hopeful, encouraging, fair. Next one, expeditions, so journey organized for a particular purpose. Next one, immortalized, so eternalize or perpetuate, long lasting, unending. Next one, contingent. So contingent meaning is something which is subject to change. Next one, consortium. So chamber, organization, institution, association. And the last one is bankruptcy. So the condition of lacking a good or desired quality. So it's all for today. If you people have any questions, so ask freely and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Good luck.